Namaste. Welcome to all of you. So this is the fourth lecture of the chapter acids, bases and salts. In the previous lecture, we started with base. So what is a base? A base is a compound which produces hydroxide ions in the aqueous solution. And the base can be water soluble or water insoluble. And the water soluble base, which mainly produce hydroxide ions in the aqueous solution, are called alkalis. And then we did the classification of bases. We classified bases based upon strength and based upon concentration. Based upon strength, we have strong and weak base. And based upon concentration, we have concentrated and dilute base. So we did all this in detail in the previous lecture. In this current lecture, we'll start with chemical properties of bases. Let's start with action with indicators. So bases will change the color of indicators. And in our syllabus, we have three main indicators: litmus solution, phenolphthalein, and methyl orange. So bases turn red litmus solution into blue. Acids में उल्टा होता है. Acids will turn blue litmus solution into red. Bases में क्या है? Bases turn red litmus solution into blue. अब आते हैं phenolphthalein में. They give pink coloration with phenolphthalein. They means bases. Bases will give pink coloration with phenolphthalein. Acids में क्या था? Acids will decolorize the pink color of phenolphthalein with alkalis. Third में they give yellow color with methyl orange. So methyl orange में क्या color change आ रहा है? Bases में yellow color. They will give yellow color with methyl orange. So that's about the action with indicators. Three main indicators: litmus solution, phenolphthalein and methyl orange. अब आते हैं second chemical property, that is action with metals. So bases react with the metal to produce oxysalt. Salt containing oxygen is called oxysalt. Oxysalt and hydrogen gas. For example, the base sodium hydroxide, when it reacts with the metal zinc, and when we boil the solution, we have formation of oxysalt. कौन सा? Sodium zincate, Na2ZnO2, along with evolution of hydrogen gas. So bases react with the metal to produce oxysalt and hydrogen gas. Take one more example. Base react with metal aluminium. So base sodium hydroxide react with the metal aluminium to form sodium meta-aluminate. It is also a oxysalt. Formula क्या है? NaAlO2 along with evolution of hydrogen gas. So action with metals में क्या है? Bases react with the metals to form oxysalt along with the evolution of hydrogen gas. So that's about the second chemical properties of base, action with metals. तो फटाफट अपनी कॉपी पेन निकाल लो भी. Start making your notes based upon the chemical properties of base. These first two properties, इसको नोट करो. Then we'll start the next properties of bases. Now let's see some more chemical properties of bases. Third property, action with ammonium salts. So when the bases are warmed with the ammonium salt, then ammonia gas is produced. Let's see example. Suppose we have ammonium chloride. Formula क्या होगा? NH4Cl. When it is warmed with NaOH, so we have formation of salt. Salt कौन सा? NaCl plus water plus ammonia gas is evolved. So whenever bases are warmed with the ammonium salt, we have evolution of which gas? Ammonia gas is evolved. Fourth property में आते हैं, action with acids. So they neutralize the acid to form salt and water. ये हमने पहले भी किया था in the chemical properties of acids. So acids react with the base to form salt and water. Example देखते हैं. Base, suppose we have sodium hydroxide. When it is allowed to react with acid hydrochloric acid. Then we have formation of salt. Salt, which one? NaCl. It is a double displacement reaction. NaCl and water, H2O liquid. Clear? So acid react with the base to form salt and water. Last property में आते हैं, they act as electrolytes. That means they can conduct electricity. So they produce ions, cations and anions in the solution, and hence their aqueous solutions conduct electricity. So that's about the main chemical properties of bases along with examples. Now we'll study about some major differences between the acids and bases. इसको आप जल्दी से नोट कर लो. Now we'll study the main differences between acids and bases based upon their properties. Yes, now the differences between acids and bases based upon properties. Let's start with taste. So acids are sour in taste, खट्टे होते हैं acids. Bases are bitter, कड़वे. Bases are bitter in taste. Second, action with moist litmus paper. So acids turn blue litmus paper into red, or bases turn red litmus paper into blue. Action with methyl orange. So acids turn methyl orange into red or pinkish red, and bases turn methyl orange into yellow. Last कर लेते हैं, action with metal carbonates or bicarbonates. So acids decompose carbonates or bicarbonates to evolve carbon dioxide gas, and bases have no action on carbonates or bicarbonates. Why? Because carbonates and bicarbonates are basic in nature, and base does not react with the base in any chemical reaction. So that's why bases does not react with carbonates or bicarbonates. So that's all about the differences between acids and bases based upon properties, some of the properties. And that's about this lecture, in which we discussed mainly chemical properties of bases and then differences between acids and bases based upon the properties, some of the properties. That's about this lecture. In the next lecture, we will discuss about strength of acids and bases. So see you all in the next lecture. और आप सबको मेरा नमस्ते.